Hey there, Genius Junkies! Welcome back to our channel, where we help you unlock your creativity with the best design tips and tricks. Today, we're diving into how teachers can use Canva to create engaging classroom materials. Let's get started. Canva is a fantastic tool for teachers looking to create visually appealing and effective classroom materials. Whether it's lesson plans, worksheets, posters, or presentations, Canva has you covered. First up, let's talk about lesson plans. A well-designed lesson plan can make your teaching more effective and engaging. Canva offers a variety of templates that you can customize to fit your needs. Lesson plan templates. Simply search for lesson plan templates in Canva's template library. Choose a design that suits your style and start customizing. You can change colors, fonts, and even add your own images. Worksheet templates in Canva. Next, let's create some worksheets. Interactive and visually appealing worksheets can greatly enhance student learning. Search for worksheet templates and pick one that fits your lesson. Canva makes it easy to add questions, images, and even interactive elements like drag and drop or matching exercises. Classroom poster templates in Canva. Now, let's move on to posters. Posters can be a great way to decorate your classroom and provide students with valuable information at a glance. Look for classroom poster templates and customize them with your own content. Add fun graphics, important reminders, or inspirational quotes to brighten up your classroom. Presentation templates in Canva. And lastly, let's not forget about presentations. Canva's presentation templates are perfect for creating engaging slideshows for your lessons. Search for presentation templates and select one that matches your theme. Customize the slides with your lesson content, images, and even embed videos to make your presentation more dynamic. With Canva, the possibilities are endless. You can create all sorts of classroom materials that not only make your teaching more effective, but also more fun and engaging for your students. Thank you for watching, Genius Junkies. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell icon so you never miss out on our latest videos. Leave a comment below if you have any questions or if there's a topic you'd like us to cover next. See you next time.